future nurses. Today we're breaking down control and coordination physiology, the system that keeps your entire body working together like a well-run team. This shows up on exams, in clinicals, and at the bedside every single day. So let's make it stick. Your body has trillions of cells, and somehow they all work in sync. How? Through the nervous system. Think of it as the body's command center, sending, receiving, and processing messages faster than you can blink. The nervous system has two main parts: the central nervous system, or CNS, your brain and spinal cord. This is mission control. The peripheral nervous system, or PNS, all the nerves branching out to the rest of the body. These are the messengers. Here's an easy memory trick. Central equals command. Peripheral equals pathways. The command center makes the decisions, and the pathways carry them out. So how does a message actually move? Through cells called neurons. Picture a neuron like a phone line. A signal travels down the line as an electrical impulse. But when it reaches the end, there's a tiny gap called the synapse. The electrical signal can't jump the gap alone, so the neuron releases chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. These chemicals cross the gap and pass the message to the next neuron. Think of it like texting. One neuron sends, the next one receives. A few key neurotransmitters to remember. Acetylcholine controls muscle movement and memory. Dopamine affects mood and coordination. Serotonin regulates mood and sleep. Norepinephrine powers your fight or flight response. When these chemicals are off balance, you see real clinical problems, like the tremors of Parkinson's, which link back to low dopamine. Now, let's tour the brain's major regions. Each one has its own job. Cerebrum, the thinking cap. It handles reasoning, movement, and your five senses. Cerebellum, your balance and coordination hub. Remember, cerebellum equals balance. Both have double L's to help it stick. Brainstem, the survival center. It controls breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. If the brainstem is damaged, life itself is at risk. Hypothalamus, the body's thermostat. It manages temperature, hunger, and hormones. Knowing these regions helps you understand what's happening when a patient has a stroke, a head injury, or a brain tumor. Ever touched something hot and pulled away before you even thought about it? That's a reflex arc in action. Here's the beauty of it. The message doesn't travel all the way to the brain first. Instead, it takes a shortcut through the spinal cord. This saves precious time and protects you from harm. The reflex arc follows a simple path. 1. A sensory receptor detects the danger, like heat. 2. A sensory neuron carries the signal to the spinal cord. 3. The spinal cord processes it instantly. 4. A motor neuron sends the command to move. 5. The muscle responds, you pull away. Think of it like a smoke detector. It reacts on its own, without waiting for you to check the whole house. Here's where it all comes together for you as a nurse. Understanding control and coordination helps you. Perform a neuro assessment and spot changes early. Understand why a patient with a stroke has one-sided weakness. Test deep tendon reflexes and know what the results mean. Recognize signs of increased pressure in the brain. Connect medications to the neurotransmitters they target. When you understand the physiology, the clinical picture just makes sense. You stop memorizing and start truly knowing. Let's lock it in. CNS equals command. Brain and spinal cord. PNS equals pathways, the nerves that carry messages. Neurotransmitters bridge the gap between neurons. The cerebrum thinks, the cerebellum balances, the brainstem keeps you alive. Reflex arcs protect you with lightning-fast shortcuts. Master these building blocks and you'll approach neuro topics with real confidence. You've got this, future nurse. Understanding how the body controls and coordinates itself is a huge step toward becoming the confident, capable nurse you're working to be. Ready to keep growing? Head over to elitelearning.com for more nursing education, continuing education courses, and expert-led resources built to help you succeed at every stage of your career. Learn at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.